Yamato Gokin is a distinguished manufacturer in the field of special copper alloys. With a history of developing new materials and an integrated production system that allows them to control every step of manufacturing, they have grown their business by meeting their customers' needs. That growth is supported by Yamato's employees, many of whom started with little experience in the field.
I was surprised by the scale of the work. At first, I wasn't sure I could even do it, but I decided to try it and join the company. It's exciting to work, knowing that the cars and trains I ride every day use material we make here at our company.
The special copper alloys Yamato makes are used in crucial components like the landing gears of airplanes and the undersea cables that enable international communications, so there's no room for error. Since the company's founding in 1941, Yamato has made copper alloys their sole mission, and in 2008, they were awarded the Boldest Company Award.
Even though we're just a small-town factory, many major corporations purchase our alloys. We've always been proud of that.
Underpinning their unparalleled technological strength is a deep bond between the employees.
I've always wanted the company to be a source of support for our employees. Not just a means of making a living, but a place where they can take shelter from all kinds of trouble.
Let's take a closer look at the manufacturing that supports Japan's copper alloy industry. Yamato Gokin's main office is located in Tokyo's Itabashi district. The special copper alloys are manufactured in Saitama Prefecture, in the towns of Miyoshi and Asaka. The manufacturing plants have been established as their own separate company, Miyoshi Gokin Kogyo, in order to give back to the local community. But how do copper alloys differ from pure copper?
Metal alloys are like a cocktail, so to speak. You mix different things together to make the drink your customer wants. That's what makes it fun.
Pure copper is an excellent heat conductor, but has low durability. By combining it with different metals, you can make an alloy that is much stronger than pure copper while maintaining its thermal conductivity. Once all the components are melted together, you can shape the alloy via casting, where metal is poured into a mold, or forging, where metal is pounded with a hammer in order to shape and strengthen it.
We make objects in so many different shapes and sizes, and each one requires a different kind of hammering. My job never gets old.
The product can be further customized according to the customer's needs using processes such as heat treatment and machining. Thanks to their know-how in integrated manufacturing system, Yamato can supply high-quality products in high-mix, low-volume orders, which gives them an edge over large-scale corporations. Of course, before production begins, the company must do research into what kind of alloy cocktail to make. The R&D team at Yamato has partnered with universities and research institutes to develop new materials and publish a wide range of patents. They also invite scholars in the field to the company for monthly study lectures.
We present our work to professors, and based on their experience, they'll tell us, this other way could work too, or have you thought of this method?
So what is the appeal of working for Yamato Gokin?
I like how tangible the work is. It's exciting knowing the materials we make become a piece of an airplane or a Formula One race car. I like how you can see the whole manufacturing process from start to finish, everything from melting to machining. The president is always asking if everyone is well, or how is your mom doing? I was very happy at the amount of care they show, even for a young employee like me.
Yamato Gokin was founded in 1941 by Shigeru Hagino, the first company president. His son Shigeo inherited the presidency from him. What was their philosophy in starting the company?
Even though we're small, we look at the most in-demand and difficult things to manufacture, and we say, well, why not specialize in that? We want all our employees, all our customers to be as happy as can be. I think this is different from a big company.
This philosophy was at the heart of their quest to develop a groundbreaking new alloy. Their efforts led to the development of a family of high-performance alloys that provide a safe and eco-friendly alternative to the more hazardous beryllium copper, the NC alloys. These alloys are the fruit of over 10 years of research and have been praised both domestically and internationally. Yamato must have gone through some very tough times to achieve this success.
It wasn't all that tough, you know. Of course, we've had difficult times, but if it's always smooth sailing, then you don't need a company president. Our employees are very clever. They say they make mistakes for the president's sake.
In 2013, Genjiro Hagino assumed the role of third-generation president. Naturally, he's committed to protecting the company's skills and know-how, but there's something he values even more highly.
I think it's essential to be aware of one another's work and help each other shoulder our burdens. When we all work together, we can make it so that 1 + 1 equals not 2, but 3 or even 4.
At Yamato Gokin, it's also common for families to join the company together.
My father works here too, so I used to come to visit him at work and help out. So I became very familiar with the company from a very young age. There are quite a few families. There's even a trio of siblings. At this rate, they're gonna take over the company.
With a boundless appetite for new technologies and a warm family atmosphere, Yamato is poised to enter a new era of history. In 2014, Yamato made their first appearance at the Singapore Air Show. Their current mission is to expand their business abroad with an eye on the aviation industry. When we asked the younger employees their future goals, they said,
There's still a lot I can't do, so I want to master those areas one by one. I want to become someone impressive the new hires look up to. I want to become more of a main player until I'm the top of the top. I want to grow as a businessman and find new business opportunities for our company both here and abroad. Right now, we're developing some new materials, so in the future, I hope to file a lot of patents with my name on them.
And lastly, a final message from President Hagino.
You can't let yourself lose that spirit of adventure. If you truly think deeply about what you want to do and maintain a strong will, then I think you can find pleasure in any job. Once you start thinking you're not cut out for this kind of work or that kind of work, you'll find yourself running into the same sort of obstacles no matter what job you do. If you wait until your next life to try something new, then no matter how many lifetimes you go through, it will never be enough.
With the motto straight and true, Yamato Gokin has maintained a single-minded pursuit of alloys that has taken them into a new era. With colleagues they can count on, and the pride that comes from knowing the value of their work, the new generation of Yamato employees is poised to take the company to even greater heights.